I'm going to demonstrate how to put flocking on greenery for Christmas. So the popularity of flocked Christmas trees, flocked wreaths, flocked garlands, kind of that, outdoor rustic vibe has been very popular this year, but it also can be very expensive. And everybody has a little bit of like a cheap evergreen wreath around, or a little bit of garland. You can even put this product on natural greenery, and then at the end of the season, you just, get rid of it. Then you don't even have to store it, so that's kind of nice. So this product can be used on anything. I use a product called Snowflock, S-N-O-F-L-O-C-K. I got it on Amazon, and there's several different companies, I'm sure, but this is just the one that I've used in the past. So when you start, you just need a bottle of water, you need your Snowflock, you need a kitchen sieve. So when you get started, you want to soak the entire section of evergreen that you want to work on. Now they say to do this outside, but it's cold out, I'm not going out there, and you need to protect the entire surface. I know you can't see it, but I have opened up trash bags all over the floor, because this stuff is sticky. This is a cellulose, a plant-based product, and it's pre-mixed with adhesives. So when it gets wet, it's going to stick to whatever it lands on, be it your shoes, your floor, your furniture if you're doing it inside. So just be careful with that. So what you're doing when you're ready to apply it and everything's nice and soaked, you just start sifting it down, and you actually are spraying it as it sits onto your whatever, tree, wreath. Now I have an entire Christmas tree that I did in this, and if you're wondering how it holds up year to year, I did that tree 2 years ago, and it was moved downstairs, then it was moved back upstairs, then it was moved across town into this basement, back upstairs for Christmas, and it still looks fantastic. The thing that's nice about this is it's artistic. You get to put in as much as you want. You just want a little bit of snow cover, just put a little bit. You want it to look really thick, put a lot. And also you can layer this product. You put on a little, you want a little more, throw it on there. As you can see, I kind of dump it on there at the end just because I want to get it on there. And so it really allows for you to figure out how much personally you want to put on there and go with that. Now I will tell you, this is much easier with 2 people because my hand's getting tired from squirting the water bottle all this time. Now, if you get a big clump somewhere, that's totally fine, but you have to make sure that you get it saturated. You got to get it wet. Not dripping wet, you don't want this stuff dripping all over, but you definitely have to get it wet for it to stick. I'll tell you too, at the end with the tree, if there was a place I just couldn't get it, I actually just picked up and threw it in. You're supposed to wear like a respirator mask, like a mask and some gloves. Okay, when you're happy with how much flock you have on there, then you need to soak it one more time with your water bottle, make sure everything is nice and soaked, and then you have to let it dry. It takes I think it's like 24 hours that I let it dry, and it actually becomes this hardened product. Now, you can definitely, if you brush up against it with this, you'll get some on you. But otherwise, it stayed remarkably well for as much as it moved around. I really like this product, and it looks really good when it's all dry. It looks kind of soupy right now, but it'll look great when it's dry.
So here's the tree that I did a couple years ago. It's been through a move and gone up and down the stairs multiple times. As you can see, this product has really weathered well. Also, there's little specks of sparkle stuff in here too. See, when you touch it, it's firm. See?
Go out and try something new. Something that scares you a little bit. Even if you think it's not going to work out, try it anyway. And then don't tell anybody about it if it doesn't work. If you try something and it doesn't work exactly right the first time, it just means you figured out the one way it didn't work, and then you keep on trying. I mean, that's how life goes. Even if nobody will tell you that. Even if everybody wants to act like, oh, I just tried it and it worked out perfectly the first time, that is not the truth. At least it's not my truth. I definitely have to work through things several times in order to get them. Heck, this is the third time I've tried to do this video, and it's not perfect. But that's how you do it. At least as far as I know. I'm Emily from Fearless DIY. Go out and try something new.